Hey, what's going on, everyone? You guys can see from the article today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash. It sees a meteoric 90% rally, but correction looms ahead. Again, this particular website, Being Crypto, utilizes a whole lot of technical analysis jargon to try to confuse people. It's just real simple. We're just looking at a asset or an instrument that trades on a crypto exchange to where people who want to buy and sell, they converse, they transact on what they determine is value. So by Bitcoin Cash going up 90%, it tells you that the overall market was bullish. It tells you that the overall market wanted to buy Bitcoin Cash because they were suspecting that the price was going to continue to go up. So will that continue to happen? Because you guys can see that Bitcoin Cash currently is up almost 13%. Look at that. This is a very strong cryptocurrency right now. I mean, it looks even stronger than Bitcoin Cash. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. It's kind of leveling off right there. Can you see that? It is leveling off. But Bitcoin Cash, on the other hand, is breaking out. See, even in this situation, you can see what people value the most. They're valuing Bitcoin Cash because the trend is still moving up. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is moving within a range. Bitcoin Cash price noted a remarkable 90% rally in the span of just 10 days, bringing the altcoin up from $358 to $678, excuse me, in 10 days. That's crazy. Now, what's going on? I think there's a Bitcoin Cash hard fork about to go down, I think today, to where the block rewards is going to be cut in half. Is that the reason why Bitcoin went up 90%? If not, drop a comment and let the people know what other reasons could be why Bitcoin Cash is going up 90% in 10 days. However, this rally will likely halt for some time, and Bitcoin Cash will note corrections for this reason. This article was written on the 1st, so about 3 days ago. And April the 1st, which is right here, 2 days, price went down, but it is now right back up to where probably when this article was printed and released on the internet. That's how strong this particular market right now is in Bitcoin Cash is. Because they were talking about halt for some time. Now, you can't define that. Like, halt for some time. Is that 4 days? Is that a week? Is that 2 weeks? Because apparently in just 2 days, Bitcoin Cash is now back up to where price started on April the 1st. Bitcoin Cash price crossing $650 was a momentous occasion, and this also instilled the sentiment of profit taking among holders. This is evident in the change in their conviction as noted in the mean coin age. Mean coin age measures the average age of all coins in circulation, reflecting the level of market activity and potential selling pressure based on the time coins have been held. Incline signals conviction, where dips in this metric hint at the coins moving among addresses. So you guys can see a chart from Sentiment. They're providing us a chart of the price in Bitcoin and then the mean coin average. So they're saying that this dip right here is what caused Bitcoin Cash to come down in price, or at least they're trying to equate that as to why price in Bitcoin Cash is going to come down lower. Such is the case of Bitcoin Cash too, which is further substantiated by the market value to realized value ratio. The MVRV ratio gauges investor profit loss. Bitcoin Cash current 30-day MVRV is 27.65%, suggests profit for recent buyers, possibly leading to selling. Historically, Bitcoin Cash corrections happen within 10 to 21% MVRV, termed a danger zone. So it's kind of crazy how people can use whatever they want to signify that price is due to do something else, right? Nothing against that. If you want to use MVRV, if you want to use mean coin average. If you guys want to use a RSI, stochastic MACD, have at it. If it gives you an advantage, then use it. But understand, it all has its flaws. And that's why so many people come into these exchanges, come to these traded markets, and they're always just looking around for the next best thing. Nobody has really told you that maybe the best thing is to not have any indicators at all and just look at strictly price and how people react when price or the market goes to these certain levels. Maybe that's the only thing that matters, because that's how I move. I don't want to make the game complicated. The more complicated you make the game, the harder it'll be for you to see what the market is really trying to do. Okay, so just by visually looking at the chart in Bitcoin Cash right now, you guys can see that we are trending. So automatically your mind needs to say, like, okay, this must be a buyer's market. Buyers are buying. Sellers are not really instilling their pressure on the market right now. So why would you want to be a seller now? So what we're going to do is we're going to create areas that we see increased buying. Okay, so that's a buy zone there. And here's definitely a buy zone for Bitcoin Cash. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction, which we did on December 31st, looking for a price in Bitcoin Cash to go down. It did in like 3 or 4 days, hit that 13% there. And the crazy part is that was the low, right? Before the market in Bitcoin Cash broke out, this was the low that we talked about. It didn't go no lower than that. And that is where we precisely had our target going into the market in Bitcoin Cash. See, it didn't take us no 50-day exponential moving average to see this. We just looked at the price action. Okay. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's get rid of these lines here. And now we're going to bring it back to the current time. And this area right here is the most recent sell zone. Okay. And the crazy part is the market in Bitcoin Cash is so strong that it even touched the sell zone today. Came right back up and hit it. That's why the market currently is closing off of those highs today. See that? It came and touched this sell zone. Now price is trying to come back down. So what do you guys think the market in Bitcoin Cash is going to do? I think two things. Either the market's going to consolidate within these sells and buy zone that we got on our chart now, or the market's going to continue to be bullish and break out. Real simple. I like that 3-day price bar right now too. We got a day and 14 hours left right there. But if it was to conclude this way right now on the 3-day chart, I would say, yeah, this market in Bitcoin Cash is still due to continue to go up. But we still got a day and 14 hours though. So the weekly time frame right here also shows that the market is bullish on the longer term charts. They're on the 2 weeks, here on the 3, 5, and this is the monthly chart. Even for the monthly time frame, we got that indication, that big push to go up and higher, to go higher in price for the month of March. So yeah, the market currently is massively strong right now. My only problem of me dropping the price prediction now is I don't like it being all the way up there. If the price in Bitcoin Cash was down here and I saw strength on a smaller time frame, then I may say, yeah, let me go ahead and look for that market continue to go up. So let's see. So I'm going to do that, right? But I'm going to let you know we're already hitting a sell zone. So from out the gate, the market may not even go up. It may come all the way back down, test this buy zone down here, and then try to lift higher, or it could break this buy zone and price continue to go a lot lower in price. But the anticipation as from what we see right now from the market is that they want to continue to move the market up in Bitcoin Cash. So I'm gonna put that price prediction on the chart but I'm not going to put on any price targets. I'm just putting this here just to let you know. Well, let me do that. I'll just put this here just to let you know that that's my current analysis is for the price in Bitcoin Cash to continue to go up. I just don't like the location where the price is trading at to put on a prediction. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.